everyday cooking dad, cooking every day.
Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, we're doing a brisket, right? And it's our second brisket ever, right? And this is 14.96 pounds, right? We got it from Sam's Club, right? And guys, we're gonna use our experience from last time to hopefully do a better brisket this time. So let me get this opened up and washed off, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start on this fat side. Now, the last time I did a brisket, I didn't trim that much, and I had pockets of big fat, right? So we're gonna trim this up a little bit, but not a whole lot. So like, I'm gonna take this off, right? This doesn't look appetizing, and it doesn't look like meat, right? And guys, I'm not gonna be saving any of this. I might make some beef tallow, right? But that's about it. No sausage making, anything like that. Right, let's just take a little bit of this off the top here. Guys, I'm gonna trim this up the best I can. I'm not an expert at it. I'm not trying to show you how to do it. So I'm gonna do the best I can. I'm gonna bring you guys back with the printed product. So it's time to season this puppy up. So we're gonna be cooking this fat side down. So I'm gonna season this side first. All right, guys, so these are the seasonings we're gonna be using. We got our Montreal steak. I like it. Guys, this is not Texas. This is my style. We got some black pepper. We got some granulated garlic, right? And we got some smoked paprika. Then we got an empty shaker bottle. So I'm doing 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. Granulated garlic, I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic. Guys, I'm just making this up as I go along. Black pepper, 2 tablespoons. And our Montreal steak, which has got a ton of stuff in it, right? We're gonna do 1, 2, 3 tablespoons, and some salt. 1, 2. Let's see if we can get 3 tablespoons of salt in here. 3 tablespoons of salt. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix. Okay, so that's our rub, right? Our pie. Not using any binder, right? Get the side. You know what? I'm gonna just put a little down on the floor or the board here, just so that anything we missed get covered up. And we're gonna hit this side. Well, we're gonna let this sit probably about 20 minutes, 30 minutes while the grill heats up. And I'm gonna go heat the grill up to 225 super smoke. All right, guys, I don't know if it recorded, but we're at reset to 225. We're going super smoke. Hey guys, we're using Traeger Premium. All right, guys, so we got this filled up. Traeger Premium. Let's close this down. And when this comes up to temp, I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, so we've reached almost 225. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in because it's almost 6 o'clock in the morning, right? And we're gonna put this fat side down on the top grate. And I did remove that duck fat. And All right, guys, and that's what our baby looks like, right? And that's what our baby looks like. So we're gonna close this down, and we'll see this probably about 1 hour or so. Maybe if we have to spritz. All right, so it's asking us to set the temperature probe. Yes, we do. We're gonna go to 160. All right, guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so it's been about an hour now. We're at 95 degrees. It's moving kind of fast, is it? But hey, it is what it is. 225, right? So let's see what we got. All right, guys, that's an hour in. That is an hour in. I decided to put that fat there, right? See if we get any tallow. All right, I'm gonna just spritz this down because it's a little dry. And you know, water attracts smoke, right? Get a little on the bottom. All right, guys, and that's pretty much it. We'll come back out in an hour or 160. All right, guys, so it's been another hour now, and we're at 129. We're still at 225, so let's see what we got. We should have to spritz. All right, guys, we got a little pooling right here, okay? But I'm gonna go ahead and spritz this sucker down, guys. We starting to get tallow? I guess. It's my first time kind of doing this. All right, so let's spritz it down. Trying to track some more smoke. Get the bottom side. All right, guys, and that's gonna be it. Come back in another hour. All right, guys, we're at hour number 5 right now, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see what we got, guys. And we're at 150 degrees and we're still on super smoke. So this thing has a ton of smoke. And guys, this is what we got. Got a lot of pooling right here, right? But guys, I'm not worried about the bark so much, right? I'm not gonna be worried about the bark. I mean, we got nice bark here. I think I'm gonna spritz right here on this side because it's a little dry. A little dry right here. We just spritz right here on the side here, and over here a little bit. I'm gonna get up underneath. But look at that, we're starting to get some tallow there, guys. We're gonna use that. We're gonna use that to wrap. All right, we got 10 more degrees to go. Get the back. We can't see the back. I'm curious to see what the bottom side looks like. You know what? Let's take a look. I'm curious. All right, guys, let's check a quick pic, see what we got. I guess we'll get to dump this grease that's building up. That's what we look like on the bottom, guys. Fat is still not rendered, but it's soft. All right, so yeah, we'll close this down. We'll be back. All right, guys, so we're 8 hours in, and this is where we're at. All right. 8 hours in. Let's see if I can bring you guys in a little tighter. Okay, so we're 8 hours in. I'm just gonna go ahead and probe just to see where we're at. This 173 here, 150 on that end, 183, guys. This went through pretty soft. We're gonna wrap this 150 right here. So 160 there. It's time to wrap this baby. Guys, this is looking good. Let's get this turned over. Let me get my hot gloves. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm really curious. Let's see what we get on the fat side that we put down. Oh, look at that, guys. It wants to be very rendered. Look at that. very soft. Over here it's really hard. But let's get ready to wrap this. I'm gonna move you guys over to the other table. Our probe just went off, so we hit 160. Probe just went off. So let me move you guys over. I'm gonna wrap it this way. Go down with some of this beef towel, right? Not a whole lot. All right, and we're just gonna wrap. So I'm gonna pull this tight under. Wrap this over. Guys, I'm not good at wrapping Christmas presents, so I'm probably not gonna be good at doing this either. Flip this over. And we're gonna turn. And we're gonna turn again. All right, guys, I think that's okay. All right, so this is going back on the grill just like this. All right, guys, so ideally I would have remembered what side was the fat side, and I would have put that down. So we'll see how this turns out, guys. This is only my second brisket, right? Second brisket. Leave in the comments what you think I've been doing wrong, please. Oh, wait, we got to put back our temperature probe. Not quite sure where we're going to put this back at, right? I don't know, I'm going to just stick it right in here. Bye. So I'm going to raise this up to 250. So I'm going to raise this up to 250. And super smoked went off. Yes, we would like to set a temperature probe. We're going to wait till we see around 195. That'll let us know we should come back out. And we're at 167 right now, 168. All right, guys, so we're at 194, right? Been running at 250. Guys, I'm gonna just check for tenderness, right? See where we're at. I mean, the probe could be in a spot that's, you know. All right, guys, so let's just probe. It's tough here. It's not even going through. 190. It's tough. All right, we're gonna give this another hour. And this side here, guys, is right through. It's like I'm not even touching anything. So we'll bring this back. We'll bring it back. All right, guys, we're at a 203, right? So let's see if that flat kind of softened up on us. It was a beef towel, all right? Let's see if this softened up on us. Guys, it hasn't. I wonder if this is just what it is, right? It's much softer. You know what? We're gonna go to 205. We're gonna go to 205. All right, guys, it's starting to rain. And it's supposed to be a storm coming through. Our pellets are getting low, but not really, right? Because I just kind of pop them down. We still got another few hours there. But we're at 203. I'm gonna go ahead and temp this real quick. Over here, I'm gonna temp this. Guys, it's much softer. Right there is way softer. All right, guys, this one part right here is tight, but here is right through. Could be softer. Guys, I'm pulling this. It's about to rain. I want to shut this grill down, and I'll pull our beef towel in. So I'm gonna see you guys when we let this rest for a couple of hours, and I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, so We started cooking this at like 6 o'clock in the morning, and we finished cooking it right around 6 o'clock. So we went 12 hours. So now we're gonna open this up and take a look at it. It's a little greasy. Uh-oh. Let me just get this. We don't want to lose it. I'm gonna pour it in here. Guys, it's a little jiggly. Guys, look, the fat right through, finger right through it, rendered pretty good. Not here so much. Right here, it rendered pretty well. All right, guys, look at that. All right, so now comes the big test, right? Comes the big test. I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna slice it right here. Right through, guys. Right through. Let's see. This is the flat side. It's not super juicy, right? But guys, look at this falling apart. Let's try that. Guys, this is good. Look at that. Now let's take a look at this side here. Guys, look at that. This tastes good. It looks good. Got a bit of a smoke ring there. Can you see it? Because this is the side that was sitting up top, right? It's our fat side. So we're sitting like this on the grill. So this side got most of the smoke. It makes sense, right? Right, so let's give this a cut this way. Let's turn this around this way. And this is the side that I'm gonna like here, right? Fairly thick slices. Let's see what it looks like. It falls right apart, guys. So I guess we can do the bend test. We can do the pull test. Guys, second brisket came out pretty good. So let's give this part a taste here. Wait, this taste. Guys, it's so soft and tender. This is delicious. Guys, the Traeger, it makes good beef. The Traeger makes good brisket. This is so delicious. Right, I can't even eat this tonight. We're gonna have to save this for tomorrow. But man, I'm gonna make this with some macaroni and cheese tomorrow. This is delicious. There you go. All right, guys, I forgot to show you the bark. Look at the bark on this thing. Our smoke line, this is the side that was facing up, right? Guys, I'm forever cooking on this Ironwood Traeger, fat side down. It is definitely better than the first brisket I made. And I wrapped it. All right, that's the bark, guys. Let me give this a taste. The bark is good. Not super hard or anything like that. Guys, please like and subscribe.
Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.